Having appeared on Earth nearly 60 million years ago, the hedgehog is a small semi-nocturnal insectivorous mammal. It hibernates in winter and is active only from April to October. It can be found in bushes, woods, thickets, and gardens. Hidden under dry grasses or branches, it only leaves its shelter at dusk in search of food. Then, it trots with small steps, sniffing the air with its nose to the wind, sniffing noisily. To dislodge insects, earthworms, slugs, and snails, it buries its pointed snout among the dead leaves, scratches the ground with its paws, and sends jets of earth flying. To vary its meals, the hedgehog sometimes targets young birds, eggs, frogs, and mice. A solitary animal, it has received a spiny armor from nature. It knows how to defend itself without fighting and injure without attacking. The more its enemies torment it, the more it bristles, Buffon described. When the hedgehog senses danger, it rolls into a ball, hiding its head and paws. Smarter than a fox, it thus escapes its predators. Medical virtues in antiquity and the Middle Ages, magical recipes concocted by seers and witches could both heal and ward off the evil eye. The ash of a hedgehog mixed with honey, or its skin burned with liquid pitch, cured alopecia, especially if hair loss was due to a curse, noted Pliny. Hedgehog ash also prevented abortion when rubbed on, and mixed with oil, it was used for facial care. Hedgehog bile was effective on all kinds of warts. Diluted with water and applied to the skin, it treated depigmentation, and mixed with white wine, thickened in the sun to a honey-like consistency in a copper vessel, it prevented harmful eyelashes from regrowing after being plucked. It also had depilatory properties when mixed with bat brain and goat's milk. To cure deafness in 1 to 2 months, it was advised to place 3 drops of hedgehog urine in the ear. Vision could also improve if one fried the right eye of a hedgehog in linseed oil and drank this preparation from a copper goblet. The Gypsies Niglo, reputed to feed only on roots and grasses, the hedgehog was frequently served during Lent in the countryside until the early 20th century. It was also for a long time the daily dish of the traveling people who made it their emblem. Coated in clay, simmered in the embers, the Nilgo, the name for the hedgehog in gypsy culture derived from the German igel, meaning pig-nosed, as fat as a pig at the end of hibernation and thus good to eat, had to be killed with a single blow struck behind the head. Otherwise, if it urinated on itself, the consumer would have difficulty urinating. A talismanic animal, the Niglo was said to have the power to soothe toothaches. For this, one had to suck its hind paw. Today the hedgehog is protected, and its hunting is banned throughout Europe. Treasure hunter in Serbian mythology, only the hedgehog can recognize the raskovnik, a magical herb that resembles a 4-leaf clover and has the power, when rubbed on locks, to open them, reveal what lies behind doors, and detect where treasures are hidden.